let's see if this thing is actually work and it will save time and money. I got this tiny crack on my windshield right here. Can you see this little crack right there? So, should be easy to use. Takes only minutes, and let's see if that's true. I've seen before how it's done. Oops. Okay, let's go. That's kind of like, I don't even know what's that. It was one hit, but it has 1, 2, and there's 2 tiny beside it. Okay, so I'm gonna apply first on a bigger one. Oh, okay, that's exactly in the middle. Okay, perfect. I can see the point of impact through that little tube. Squeeze 3/6 drops of the repair resin. I need a knife. Oh, oops. 3, 4, 5, 6. Screw this in until we have a little bit of a resistance. Coffee while we're waiting. I don't know if camera focuses, but you should see how wide open this rubber part is, and it just filled the whole crack right away. Okay, now we need the strips. 2 should be enough. I see the crack from the inside. Okay, let's try to cover this. Do you see? I can see the bubble. Where is that tiny bubble? Ah, that tastes so bad. Let it sit for a bit. Okay, it looks like I got rid of this little bubble. Yeah. Okay, good. But I still see the crack. Let's see if it actually worth 30 bucks. Or sorry, 20 bucks. It was on a discount on Amazon. Okay, grocery shopping done. Now it's time to scrape leftovers off and see if it actually worked. Yeah, I think it dried out. Yeah, it's not liquid anymore. So taking off this strip. and all the leftovers. It's gonna take a while. It is much better, I would say, but still visible. I can scrape the bugs. Okay, let's wipe it with windshield wipers and see. Yeah, from the inside I still can see the entire, like the whole crack. As you can see, it's still visible very much. So this kit doesn't work. I would not recommend to buy this one.